How to log out from all devices in Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log out your account from all devices on Instagram. Now to do so, open up the app and tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on the three-line icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen. Once you head over to settings and privacy and head over to account center. If you scroll down, you'll find the option password and security. Open this up, and if you go to change password and change your password simply, then you'll be able to log out of all devices. But if you don't want to do so, then simply go back and then head over to security checks, and under security checks you'll find the option where you are logged in. Tap on it, and here you can see your profile username, and you will be able to see all the number of devices that you have logged in. If you tap on this, now simply tap on it, and here you can see where you are logged in. Now you can see all the devices that I've logged in my account. Now to delete all this from, or to log out from all devices, now tap on select all and then tap on logout. It'll ask you for confirmation, and if you log out, then it'll simply log out from all devices that you have logged in your account from. Now if you tap on secure account, however, it will ask you to change password, and once you change it, it will log you out from all devices. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.